Do you want to break into investment banking, private equity, or a top-tier hedge fund in Europe? Let me give you a harsh reality check. Sending out 1,000 resumes on job boards won't work. The elite financial institutions don't hire from everywhere. They recruit exclusively from a handful of target schools. If your university isn't on their list, your resume goes straight in the trash. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 universities in Europe for finance. And you absolutely need to stick around for number 1, because the geographic advantage it offers practically hands you the keys to the financial world. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5 is Bocconi University. Why would an Italian university be on a list traditionally dominated by London and Paris? Because Bocconi operates like a stealth factory for London's financial district. If you look at the trading floors of Goldman Sachs or Morgan Stanley in Canary Wharf, they are packed with Bocconi alumni. Why? Because the quantitative rigor here is famously brutal. You don't just learn basic finance. You are molded into a hyper-analytical machine. If you want a direct, high-speed pipeline into European investment banking without paying massive UK tuition fees, Bocconi is your ultimate backdoor. Moving to number 4, the University of Cambridge. How does an 800-year-old institution keep up with modern high-frequency finance? By focusing purely on complex, fundamental mathematics. The finance industry is rapidly shifting towards algorithms, quant trading, and big data. Cambridge doesn't just teach you corporate finance. They teach you the underlying mathematical models that actually run the global economy. When hedge funds need pure quantitative genius, they don't look for standard business majors. They recruit directly from Cambridge's economics and math departments. It is the ultimate intellectual flex. But what if you want to dominate private equity and venture capital? You go to number 3, HEC Paris. Is it hard to get into? Yes, it is notoriously exclusive. But why do students fight so fiercely for a spot? Because of the French Grande École system. HEC doesn't just give you a degree, it gives you an unbreakable elite corporate network. Top-tier consulting firms and asset managers essentially treat HEC as their private recruiting ground. If your goal is to manage massive European portfolios and you want a literal red carpet rolled out for your career, HEC Paris is the undisputed king of the mainland. Number 2 brings us to the University of Oxford. Is the historical prestige really worth the hype? Absolutely. Oxford Said Business School offers a master in financial economics that is consistently ranked among the very best in the world. But you aren't just paying for the curriculum. You are paying for the ultimate signaling tool. Having Oxford on your resume instantly bypasses the HR screening process at any financial institution on the planet. Furthermore, the famous tutorial system here forces you to defend your financial models one-on-one with world-class economists. It builds a level of bulletproof confidence that the City of London actively hunts for. But nothing compares to the absolute powerhouse at number 1, the London School of Economics. Why is LSE the undisputed champion of European finance? Geography and pure, unadulterated focus. You are located in the exact center of global finance. You aren't just reading case studies. You are being taught by the exact same people who actively advise the Bank of England and massive hedge funds. The networking isn't theoretical. It happens at the coffee shops right next to the campus. LSE mints banking CEOs at a rate no other European school can match. If you want the absolute highest probability of breaking into high finance, LSE is the trump card. Breaking into high finance is a game of leverage, and your university is your biggest asset. Which of these financial powerhouses fits your career strategy? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button to feed the algorithm, subscribe to stay ahead of the curve, and I'll see you in the next one.